Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to record your Google Slides presentation. All right, if you find this video helpful, please do like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, we have this new feature under Google Slides where we can go ahead and convert these specific slides, of course, into a video. Okay, so you don't have to record it manually anymore. So just for example, I'm going to go ahead and select a template right here. For example, a photo album. I'm going to go ahead and click on it. Let's say, for example, that this one is your slides. All right. So what you'll do basically in here is just go ahead over to File at the top left. And then you have this Convert Video option. All right. So you can just go ahead and click on it. Now wait for this pop-up to load. There you go. Review everything right here. And if you want to deselect one page, you can just go ahead and click on the checkbox. All right. So once that's done, go ahead and click on Next. And by the way, include AI voiceover script background music and animation. If you want that, enable it. If not, disable it. Okay. Next. There you go. Just wait a bit. And once done, you can now then go ahead and hit on play. And it will just play automatically with a 5-second per page. Okay. You can now then go ahead and customize it however you want. Let's say add in some captions, text, shapes, or whatever. And then once that's done, you can go ahead and click on File once more, export it to YouTube, or export it to your Google Drive, or just download it as a GIF or MP4. Okay? Save it on your computer, send it later on. There you go. That's how simple it is to record your Google Slides presentation. That's the simplest way to at least have a video with your Google Slides presentation. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.